Good morning, respected District Governor Hanmant Reddy Garu, Assistant Governor Vijay Durga Garu, the guest of honor Arundhati Garu, and DRR Sindhu, and all guests, all Rotarians. Welcome to you. I call this meeting to order, and as a protocol, I'll read out the four-way test and then proceed. The four-way test of Rotary International is the four-way test is of the things we think, say, or do. The first is it truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendships? And fourth one is, will it be beneficial to all concerned? So this is the protocol which we have for every meeting. We start with a four-way test and then proceed. To give you a background, Rotary Club of Miapur was chartered on 28th September by past District Governor Mr. Malladi Vasudev. He was the District Governor then, and we had about 26 members. Immediately after 5-6 months, in the month of February 22nd, we chartered the Rotary Club of Miapur, with Madhusudan being the first charter president of the club. Thereafter, we did well, and today is a 7th installation. This is a 7th team which is getting installed. And Rotary Club of Miapur was the first club of state of Telangana. Now, once the state was formed in 14 June, this was the first club in the new state of Telangana, and we rose to heights and we had a fall, and then we are reviving thanks to our District Governor Hanmant Reddy Garu. He helped us in reviving this club, and we are trying to become normal. And since we didn't had any members last year, so our Rotractors graduated to young Rotarians, and they are taking charge of this club, and I wish them best. Now, the agenda for today is for first 20 minutes, the youth team, the Rotractors team would do their installation. And after 20 minutes, it will be Rotarians. And after that, we'll like to have an honor of listening to our District Governor, Assistant Governor, and Guest of Honor. And we'll close sharp at 1 o'clock. So we'll begin with the outgoing president of Rotary Club, Mr. Vamsi Krishna, Rotractor Vamsi Krishna, to take charge and conduct the proceedings. Over to Rotractor Vamsi Krishna.
Good morning, fellow Rotractors and Rotarians, DG Garu, AG Garu, and Arundhati ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much for attending the event. So I'm Rotractor Vamsi Krishna, the immediate past president. My term, I'm pursuing PGDM at IPE Shamirpet, and this is my 5th year in Rotract. Thank you.
Yeah, please share the activities done and.
The team will introduce themselves first, and then we'll present the activities.
Okay, please go ahead.
Handing it over to Sunit.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Rotractor Sunit, and I'm pursuing my PBA final year right now. And this is my 4th year in Rotract. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rotractor Komal. I'm doing my degree final year in Roots Degree College. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rotractor Raviteja Peri, and I've been associated with Rotary Club of Miapur since its inception. I also worked as a president for the club and currently the member of the club. Thank you so much.
Hello all, I'm Rotractor Manoj, the charter vice president of this club, served as the president in the year 2016-17 and unanimously elected as the district Rotractor representative for the year 2021 and 22.
Hello everyone and good afternoon. This is Rotractor Vikram. I am doing my 3rd year BBA from Geeta University, Hyderabad, and it's been a year since I joined. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rotractor Vishweshwar, and I've completed my 12th grade, and this is my 2nd year in Rotract. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Devnath, Rotractor Devnath. I'm pursuing my final year degree in St. Mary's, and this is my second year. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning to everyone. I am Rotractor Abhinav. I am in my final year of BTech in BVRIT. Thank you.
Hello and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rotractor Vaibhav, and I'm currently pursuing my BTech second year at VNR VJIT College. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Rotractor Ritvik and I'm pursuing my third year of BTech on VIT Vellore. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rotractor Rohit and I'm in my second year of BTech in CBIT College. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rotractor Manvita and I'm doing my final year BTech in St. Peter's Engineering College. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rotractor Aru. I'm pursuing my BTech in St. Peter's Engineering College. Thank you.
I'm Rotractor Rachna and I'm a dentist and this is my first year in Rotract. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rotractor Kriti. I'm currently in my fourth year of BTech and I'm from BVR8. Thank you.
So thank you all. We'd like to present the things we did last year. It started with the installation ceremony where I was installed as the president and Dikshita was installed as the secretary. It was a brilliant term. We did wonderful activities and we had an all president meet where we discussed the club crisis and we battled it out. And here we are. We are functional and we have revived the spark of the club. Thank you.
Following that, we have the road track of Kormangla, and which is thank you everybody, which is showing.
If I may continue, we have organized regular meetings. That's the best part about the club, because there was a time where we couldn't do regular meetings and regular events, because of which there was a possibility of membership reduction. But however, we have ensured that regular meetings and BOD meetings have been happening in the club, which kept on the members to retain themselves in the process. And also this year we had wonderful recruitment. We have new members coming in and joining the club today. And that is the best part about this club. And we have always been sustaining over the period. Over to Rotractor Komal.
So we also had an interactive session with the students from Government School. And we also distributed stationery items and books as well. And the next event is Dandiya Dhoom, which was an fundraising event. And more than 30 members from our club have attended that event. Thank you.
We have attended the Rotary International District 3150 conference in the month of February. Also, I've attended the regional meet of Telangana. I've met many new people and exchanged many ideas, which we are planning to implement in the following year ahead.
As a measure to, thank you. As a measure to increase our rapport with the parent club, we have organized a lot of joint club meetings where activities were conducted all together.
We have organized and have been part of joint events like Avignam, our flagship project promoting clay idols for Vinayak Chavati, Education, an initiative by the Rotary Club of Hyderabad Himayat Nagar, awareness event on menstruation and hygiene. Hope, help other people eat, similar to our signature project, Project Lunchbox, and Danutsav. Also, we have organized events like dental camp and vertical gardening at Government School.
I'd now like to request the BOD to introduce themselves, name their role and goal.
Hello everyone, I am Abhinav and I'm going to be your president for this term. And they say that there's a hidden potential in everyone. As Vamsi found out mine, I too would like to find the hidden potential within my fellow club members, as well as develop them at the same time developing my own, so that we can ensure a proper growth of our club and also there will be a proper sustenance of the club. And at the same time, we can also provide maximum service to the community. I would like to end with a quote by Regis Murai. He says that part of being a person is about helping others. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Rotractor Manvita and I'm secretary for the Rotract Club of Mayapur 2020 and 21. And my goal in Rotract is to serve others and serve myself too and rejuvenate into a better person. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kruti and I'm going to be the Joint Secretary for this term. I'll lend my support to the Secretary and also to all my team members. I promise to be a team player and try to improve myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As I introduced myself already, so I'm Rotractor Sumit,
Hello.
and I'll be leading as Vice President for this term, and I'll be giving my helping hand to President, and in the absence of the President, I'll take the lead of the club. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vamsi, the immediate past president. As an IPP, I would like to ensure the continuity of leadership and give my full support to the BOD and the club. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shail Shikhar, and as a community service director for this year, my goal would be to give back to the society as much as I can with the help of my team and everyone I can gather around. So as a community service director, the main goal for us is to give back to the society as much as we can, and during the pandemic, the basic need is to help and everyone to come together and help the people in need and be together. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Rachna and my role is as Club Service Director for this term, and my goal is to make it a 40 members club with 100% attention by 1st October. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rotractor Vaibhav and I'm serving as the International Service Director for this term. And as our President has said that he wants to find the hidden potential within us, even I too want to find it and use it for the betterment of the society. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm Rotractor Ritvik and I've been appointed as Public Relations Director for this term. My goal is to show promise in my work and increase the approach of our club and our activities we take up. Thank you.
And I'm Rotractor Manoj, Chief Mentor, to assist the board with their roles and responsibilities for smooth functioning, advise the members as and when required, and to ensure the club functioning to the optimum level.
3 of our board members aren't available due to personal reasons and network issues. Rotractor Dikshita has been appointed as the treasurer. Rotractor Narsimha has been appointed as the Sergeant at Arms, and Rotractor Vaishnav has been appointed as the Professional Services Director. I would now like to hand it over to DRR Sindhu Garu to take the oath proceedings further.
Yeah, thank you, Sunit. Now I request all the team members to please raise your right hand.
All Rotractors? Only Rotractors.
Yeah, only Rotractors.
And others, please keep it muted. There is some noise.
Before that, I request outgoing president to please hand over the caller to the incoming president, Abhinav.
Thank you.
I request outgoing secretary to please hand over the chatter to the incoming secretary.
The outgoing secretary isn't available. We apologize for that.
Yeah, okay. Then. Now, yeah, sir. When I say I Rotractor, please say your name. I Rotractor.
I Rotractor.
Do place before this assembly of fellow Rotractors that I shall dedicate myself to the ideals of Rotract through service and mankind at all the times. I shall faithfully serve this club by regular attendance and participation in committee work. I shall pledge that I shall hold high the objects of the Rotract movement by practice and propagation in all aspects of my activity. I shall also pledge that I shall exert every influence available to me to promote peace, understanding, goodwill, and betterment among all fellow beings. Say I do.
I
do. So congratulations and all the best to the entire team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So, I'd now like to request a few members to mention why they've joined Rotract.
Hello everyone, I'm Kruti. Rotract is a club with good motives and strong goals. I think by being here, I can improve myself and also be helpful and useful for the community. Working with people having strong desires and motivations can be more empowering. Challenging ourselves will make us more stronger. And this is my motivation for joining the Rotract. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Rachna, and the reason why I joined Rotract is that to do my bit part of service to the society, and I thought Rotract would be a platform which gives us chance for like young people to us to serve with a feeling of self-fulfillment, and not only that but also to develop my professional and leadership skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rotractor Rohit. I have joined the Rotary Club to build bonds, improve my social skills, and have fun. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rotractor Vaibhav. By joining Rotract, I would like to develop skills such as social skills, social intelligence, emotional intelligence quotient, among others, that enables people to navigate their strengths and weaknesses and grow up as a better human being, and use these traits for the welfare of this society through this platform. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Rotractor Ritvik, and my motive to join Rotract isn't just any normal certificate or a name on a CV. Rotract to me is more like a family which offers growth and development at the cost of a minimum amount of effort we put in. The effort, which could mean very essential for people on the other side of the hand. And yeah, in the events I've volunteered for Rotract, I've been learned this thing that service could be fun, and that is my motive to join Rotract.
Thank you. Thank you all for your beautiful reasons. I'd now like to request Abhinav to give his president acceptance speech, and what we shall do this year will be elaborated by fellow Rotractors now.
Firstly, I'd like to thank and congratulate my board of directors and as well as my fellow club members for giving me this opportunity. I'll do my best as a president, and kudos to you all. So as we know that every term starts with the month of July, there's already been 20 days past. In these 20 days, we have already done some events like there's weekly pranayama session going on with our parent Rotary Club. It's a weekly session and free to join for everyone. There's also a self-employment session. We have also conducted club meetings with our parent Rotary Club and also with our own board of directors and also with our own Rotary Club members. So further, we would like to plan fellowships, events and other meetings with our own club as well as with other clubs. And we would like to organize club officers training session and Rotaract training sessions for our own club. Thank you. Handing it over to Vaibhav.
As an international service director, we intend to have lots of cultural exchange programs through international projects.
Yeah, as a public relationship director, I'll strive to increase our connections with other clubs and grow and explore along with them. Thank you.
We will organize club officer training sessions and Rotaract training sessions.
As a community service director for this year, we'll try to plan a lot of events for the community, but due to this pandemic event, we will try to accommodate as much as we can, but not risking anyone's health. So our goal is to accommodate as much as we can, but keeping health in mind. Thank you.
We intend to follow the Rotary calendar year, and we set up priorities for events related to the focus areas of Rotary, which will be elaborated and explained by the fellow Rotractors.
So in the month of August, we are concentrating on increasing our membership, and in the month of September, we'll concentrate on literacy and education programs as well, and our flagship event Teach programs. So in the month of October, it's time to start community projects and our flagship projects as well. Thank you.
In the month of November, we are planning a Rotary Foundation month. December is going to be the disease prevention and treatment month, and January is the vocational service month. Thank you.
The month of February is meant for peace and conflict resolution. And in March, we'll be taking up events regarding water and sanitation. And in April, it is for maternal and child health.
Hello everyone. The month of May for the Rotractors is a youth service month. June, the fellowship month. and concern for environment is an yearly project. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. So I now request Rotractor Ritvik to introduce our DRR Sindhu Garu.
Thank you, Rotractor Vamsi. It's a pleasure. DRR Rotractor Sindhura Publicity is a lovable and helpful person. She's born to a lovely couple of Rotarian PP Lakshmi Narayana and Mrs. Vasanta Lakshmi. She was born in Tenali and brought up in Kuntur. Her siblings are Ravikindi Kirtana Manikumar and brothers P. Surya Narayana, who got graduated from Vich Pilani and is presently working in JP Morgan, Bangalore. Rotractor Sindhura Publicity completed schooling in St. Joseph Girl High School and inter from Sri Chaitanya. She has done graduation from Kallam Harinath Reddy Institute of Technology and topped the college and got meritorious scholarship from college. She has done her MBA and from Acharya Nagarjuna University. Coming to her professional career, she worked as a radio jockey in AP9 FM online. Her interest has always made her to be best radio entertainer and best singer in her college. She is serving the Rotract for last 8 years, where she is the chartered treasurer of Rotract Club of UA, which is chartered in 2011 and 12. And here she was placed in many good positions and chaired RYLA at district level for 2018 and 19. She also chaired RYLA at club level and acted as advisor for a club. She has been recognized as the best secretary for year 2013 and 14 and best Rotractor female from Andhra region during the year 2015 and 16. DRR Rotract's career includes 2011 to 12, Chartered Treasurer for RAC UA, 2012 and 13, Joint Secretary for RAC UA, 13-14, Secretary for RAC UA, 14-15, President of RAC UA, 15 and 16, District Treasurer for Andhra region, 16-17, Regional Representative of Andhra region, 2017 and 18, Club Advisor, 18 and 19, Chairperson of RYLA and followers. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritvik. I'd now like to request DRR Sindhu Garu to address the meeting.
Thank you, Ritvik, for the nice introduction. And good evening to all the Rotarians, dignitaries, Rotarian Vijaya Durga ma'am, Assistant Governor, and Rotarian Hanmant Reddy sir, District Governor, and today's guest of honor Arundhati ma'am, founder for Sangamitra School, and to all the Rotarians, good afternoon. And firstly, congratulations, Vamsi, on the successful year as the president, and all the best to the incoming president, Rotractor Abhinav, and the secretary, Rotractor Manvita, and all the very best to the entire team of RAC Miapur. And although it's a situation where we cannot meet, but today you made this thing like you are going to have your installation along with your parent club. It's a great thing. It's a very great thing. And I know Miapur from many years, and I know the leadership qualities which you all people have. So many congratulations. I wish you will do good and do the best in the coming year. And it's a blessing thing you have the DRR elect from your club, the Rotract Club of Miapur. So Manoj, it's your responsibility too to carry on the things. Thank you so much. Thank you all. All the best once again.
Okay. I hope to live up to your expectations and as well as others' expectations.
Thank you so much for your wonderful words, Sindhu Garu. I'd now like to hand it over to the parent club for the further installation proceedings. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
Can we give a round of applause for these young boys and girls who have done wonderful work, and they finished in 20 minutes dot, I admire the preparation they all did. Thank you, Vamsi, especially for the outgoing president, for ensuring the smooth ride, and the way you have built your team. It's highly appreciable. I think you made me proud.
Thanks, Dad. Thank you so much.
Now it's a time we would have an installation of board of directors and Rotarians of Rotary Club of Miapur. I would like to invite Rotarian Madhusudan, who was the charter president of Rotract Club in 2015. Last 5 years, he was a member of Rotractor, but last 1 year he has been into Rotary. And this in the times of crisis, thanks to the idea of Vamsi Krishna, when we were not having a single member last year. So, and in the month of March, we were looking for who will be the people who will lead the team next year. So it was an idea of Vamsi Krishna, Rotractor Vamsi Krishna, proposing 3 names, Datta, Sudhir and Madhusudan, to take over the club and run it, because we were short of members and all. And since March, under the leadership of Hanmant Reddy Garu and Vijay Durga Garu, they have built this club. Now we have a small team of Rotary Miapur, which they are going to further build. So I would like to congratulate Madhusudan for taking over as a president, and I would like to hand over the proceedings to Madhusudan. Madhusudan, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Rotarian Sheshadri. Good morning, everyone. It's great to see you all here today. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the Rotractors, the youth club as we call it, for having a fantastic update of your term and your team. Lovely energy from all the young leaders from the team, and all the best to Abhi, Manvita and team. We shall have an amazing year ahead. Now quickly, I would like to introduce Team Miapur first. Members, when I call upon your names, please unmute yourself and give us a brief introduction of your name, classification and your role for the year 2020. Now let's get started. I would like to invite Rotarian Datta to introduce himself.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Rotarian Sri Datta. My classification is I work as an auditor by profession with Deloitte, and this year I joined Rotary as a treasurer. Thank you.
Thank you, Datta. Rotarian YSRK Prasad Garu.
Good morning, everybody. My name is YSRK Prasad. I am designated as the Director for Water and Sanitation.
Thank you. Rotarian Vimala Mani.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Vimala Manne. I'm a dermatologist, cosmetologist and trichologist. This year with the inspiration of Sheshadri Garu, I've been inducted into this Rotary Club of Miapur branch, and I'm Director for Disease Prevention. Thank you.
Thank you. Rotarian Sasmita. All right, moving forward. Rotarian Ganesh Sundar.
Hi everyone, my name is Ganesh and I work as a delivery assurance lead by profession, and I have been designated as the director for the internet services.
Thank you, Ganesh. Rotarian Pavitra Gira.
Unmute you, Pavitra.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rotarian Pavitra Gira. I'm an entrepreneur, and this year I'm going to serve as director for youth service. Rotary Club of Miapur. Thank you. Rotary Club of Miapur. I'm very sorry. Thank you.
Thank you. Rotarian Ganesh Anurag.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Rotarian Sai Ganesh Anurag. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and I also help my father with our business, which is Anu Tours and Travels, and I'll be the director for service projects for this term. Thank you.
Thank you, Ganesh. Rotarian Sumant Mahapatra. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. I am Rotarian Sumant Mahapatra. I am a wealth step-up specialist through mindfulness techniques by profession. I am given the role of the Director Public Image for this tenure in Rotary Miapur. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Rotarian Anand Rao.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Anand Rao. We are into ISO certification as a profession. So for this Miapur club, I am a director admin. Thank you all. All the best.
Thank you. Rotarian Ramesh Bhagam.
Dr. Rakesh, unmute yourself.
All right. Can we move to Rotarian Yashwant?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rotarian Yashwant Vallamkunda, and I am Managing Director of Krishna Sakhi Textiles. And this year, I am the Director of Peace and Conflict Resolutions and Preventions.
Thank you, Yashwant. Rotarian Sheshadri Padigala.
Yeah. So as a senior in the Rotary since last 2005 and having been the founder of this club, I thought I took a role of a club trainer and a director membership. So we are trying to build a club of 40 members by next 3-4 months by September. That's my role. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sheshadri. Rotarian Streaker.
Unmute yourself, CA. Streaker.
Okay, we'll move forward to Rotarian CNV Sridhar. Dr. Sridhar, could you introduce yourself, please? Okay. Dr. Mahesh Chandra.
Unmute yourself, Dr. Mahesh. He was there.
Good morning, one and all. I'm Dr. Mahesh Chandra, Associate Professor and Mentor at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Institute of Management Technology by profession. And I have the opportunity to serve this Rotary Club as a community development. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mahesh. May I have Rotarian Bhavishya, please?
I'm an event manager and a mineral water supply.
Thank you, Bhavishya. Rotarian Rudramani Swami. All right. We'll move forward to Rotarian Giri.
Hi everyone, my name is Giri. I stay in Miapur. I am ex-manager for YPO in Hyderabad. YPO is Young Presidents Organization. Now I am into real estate, construction and interior business.
Thank you, Rotarian Giri. Rotarian Ramesh Tirumala. Okay. Rotarian Ratnakar.
Please unmute yourself, Rotarian Ratnakar.
Right, we'll move forward. Rotarian Teresa.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. I am into health and nutrition. The first time here, so still wanting to see how things can go. So if you have anything with concern to health, please do come by.
Sure, Teresa. Thank you so much. Rotarian Sesin Kishore. All right. So thank you so much. This was the entire team Miapur. We have missed a few members that be joining us soon. And moving ahead, I would request the Assistant Governor, Rotarian Vijay Durga, to administer the oath, please. I request all the Rotarians to unmute yourself and raise your right hand. Rotarian Vijay Durga, do we have you?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Please, can you call yourself or somebody can call you as a president?
We are away due to Zoom, so.
You can call yourself. No?
You can call yourself.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll continue with the proceedings for now.
Okay, I will do oath for everyone. And you say your president, secretary, or any BOD members, whatever the positions they have given.
Definitely.
So, right. Tell your names, please. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President, Secretary, BOD members of the Rotary Club of Miapur, and that I will, to the best of my ability, give support and assistance to the district governor. Thank you. And Rotary International, and that I will uphold the constitution and bylaws of this club of Miapur. Thank you.
Congratulations, all Rotarians.
I do.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Can I request Madhu to give you an acceptance speech and also the year plan for the current Rotary year? Madhu.
Definitely. So before that, I'd like to quickly introduce you all to the board of directors of Miapur. Sudhir Padigala will be taking charge as the secretary. Sridatta will be taking charge as the treasurer. Rotarian YSRK Prasad Garu would be the director of water and sanitation.
Dr. Vimla Mane would be taking care of Directorship of Disease Prevention and Treatment. Dr. Shashmita is the Director for Maternity and Child Health. Rotarian Ganesh Sundar would be taking care of the Internet Services. Rotarian Pavitra Gera is the Director for Youth Services. Rotarian Ganesh Anurag is the Director for Service Projects. Rotarian Sumant Mahapatra would be the Director of Public Image. Rotarian C.H. Anandra would be the Director of Administration. Dr. Ramesh Bagam would be the Director for Environment. Rotarian Yashwant would be the Director for Peace and Conflict Prevention. Rotarian Sheshadri would be the Club Membership Director. And Rotarian Srikar would be the Director of Rotary Foundation. Moving ahead, Rotarian Ganesh Anurag would be the Director for Service Projects. Rotarian Sumant Mahapatra, the Director of Public Image. Rotarian Dr. C.N.V. Sridhar would be taking care of Basic Education and Literacy. And Dr. Mahesh Chandra would be the Director of Economic and Community Development. Thank you so much, team. And now I would like to introduce myself. I am Rotarian Madhu. I'm a management accountant by profession. And I accept the responsibility of taking charge as the president for Rotary Club of Miapur for the term 2020. Now coming to our year plan, it's been 25 days since our term has started. And I would like to give a brief of what we have done so far. So we started off with a few weekly initiatives. So every Sunday we have Zoom sessions. And we started the year with a Zoom pranayama for your family. The purpose of this event, which we do weekly, is to help the community boost up their immunity against COVID-19. So we have had 3 sessions so far, and we intend to continue for the next 52 weeks. The second initiative by our club was a session on why Rotary. And the purpose was to educate the members regarding why they should be joining Rotary and how well they will be able to contribute to the Rotary platform. And the third initiative is Let's Talk Work. Now, no work leads to depression. So the purpose of this event is to tackle depression, which is main cause for suicides. We're doing all these projects on a weekly basis, and they are repetitive. Now, the fourth initiative is Rotary Online Training Initiative, and the purpose is to strengthen the Rotary movement. Fifth initiative, which we are about to launch, is 4 easy steps to start a Rotary club. Why? Because as a person, you might be able to contribute a very little, but when you're a team and you're part of a big family such as Rotary, your reach is tremendous. Now, the next 6th initiative is during the lockdown, because of the COVID situation, most of the gated communities, not only people, but also the businesses have been affected. So we are planning to launch a few COVID assessment surveys for the businesses as well as the gated communities. We have experts in our club who are willing to use their vocation to serve the community and also the businesses of fellow Rotarians and other members as well. The 7th initiative is a weekly networking meeting. Tomorrow we'll be having our first meeting, and the purpose is to help the members of Rotary leverage the Rotarians network and help them identify how they can contribute their vocation to serve the community better. Now, the 8th initiative which we have launched, it is a joint project with one of the Rotary clubs, Rotary Club of Hyderabad Pearls, and we are donating 300 face shields to our heroes, doctors and support staff who are working day and night to treat COVID patients. The project costs around 90,000 rupees, and 31st July is the deadline we have kept for ourselves. Now, I would like to acknowledge Rotarian Sucharita for identifying the need and coming forward. Thank you so much. These are the 9 initiatives. Imagine this is what we could do in a span of 1 month on a repetitive basis. So we have 11 months ahead, and I got a really proactive team, I should say, and an excellent mentor. So probably Rotary Miapur would definitely do its bit to serve the community at large. Now, moving ahead, we plan to come up with many interesting initiatives and align all the events and projects as per the Rotary designated months, as very well put by the Rotractors. Now, we are also coming up with exciting, innovative projects in near future, touching upon Rotary's 7 focus areas. I thank our District Governor Hanumant Reddy Garu and Assistant Governor Vijay Durga Garu and Rotarian Sesha Sai all the past district governors and senior Rotarians, district members, Rotary fraternity, and the young Rotractors personally. We thank you for our support in helping us revive this wonderful club. My biggest thanks to my team for being so proactive. And buckle up, guys, we have a long way to go. Signing off, Rotarian Madhu as the president for the club and Rotarian Sudhir as the secretary of the club. Thank you so much. I'd like to hand over the proceedings to Rotarian Shishad.
Yeah. Can I request Chartered Accountant Anurag to kindly introduce our Assistant Governor, esteemed Assistant Governor, Vijay Durga Garu.
Sure. So, Rotarian Vijay Durga Garu was born and brought up in Hyderabad and happily married to Venugopal Reddy Garu, who is a HR professional. They have two sons, Rotractor Sai Pawan, who is pursuing his engineering from Geethams, and Navnit is studying 9th class, who is in track. Vijay Durga Garu joined Rotary in 2014 with inspiration of her father, past President Rotarian ASN Reddy Garu. She's been involved in Rotary programs since 2007 with her father. She served the Rotary Club of Chandanagar, RC Puram, with various positions like Treasurer, Secretary, President, District Rotaract Regional Chair, and now as AG. During her tenure as club president in 2018-19, the club's flagship project was menstrual hygiene management. Through this project, they have trained 10,000 plus girls students of age group 12 to 17 years. Her passion towards Rotary made her to enhance her Rotary knowledge through RLI, which is a Rotary Leadership Institute, and got her graduation. During her presidentship, she brought a lot of laurels to the club in all avenues of Rotary in the district, first best club for WANS and third best club in Twin Cities region in awards night, and got DZ citation and recitation. Thank you.
Thank you. May I request Assistant Governor Vijay Durga Garu to kindly address us or inspire us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the wonderful introduction. And warm greetings to our chief guest, DG Hanmant Reddy Garu, and guest of honor, G. Arundhati Garu, and galaxy of PDGs, AGs, district cabinet members, presidents, secretaries of Trailblazer team, Rotarian from other clubs, guests and friends. And I would like to congratulate Rotractors for their good work, and outgoing President Vamshi Krishna and incoming President Abhinav and Manvita as a secretary. I congratulate them, and I thank DG sir for giving me opportunity to serve as a AG for Miapur Club. I assure that I will give my best with the support of President and Secretary and BOD members of your club, and my best wishes to incoming President Madhu Sudan and Sudhir and BOD members. I would like to give some service project as per their ability of the club, and a new generation has come, Rotractors come to the club. It will be more vibrant club next year, up to next year. So some of the projects, DG sir signature project, best feeding kiosk, supporting environment, all 8 verticals, and all designated days to be observed, and membership should be increased, and membership payment should be paid on the time, and all the below 30 age group has already was there in your club, so more young generation can give your club as a vibrant club. It will be my pleasure to support and work along with the new team of RC Miapur, and earlierly to be here that take the club pride to the new heights. I will be supporting every time. Thank you, everyone. And congratulations to everyone, BOD members and all the members of new members of the club. Thank you.
So thank you so much. Madhusudan, thanks for completing again in 25 minutes, though it was planned for 20 minutes, but you did well in completing your installation of in 25. Now, last 15 minutes, we have pleasure of listening to our chief guest and guest of honor. So to begin with, we'll listen to our chief guest first, District Governor of the Rotary Club, Rotary International, District 3150. Before that, I would like to ask Pavitra, the Director Youth Services, to introduce our DG Garu.
Thank you, sir. It's a honor. Good afternoon, one and all, once again. District Governor Rotarian Nalla Venkat Hanmant Reddy Garu, coming from a rural background. He was born to Srimati Nalla Lakshmi Garu and Nalla Venkat Reddy Garu on 30th June of 1967 in an agricultural family. He is a successful first-generation businessman with varied interests in trading and real estate sectors. Inspired by the services of activities in the Rotary, he has embraced the moment in the year 2002 as a member of the Rotary Club of Armor and served the club under all the avenues before being elected as its president in the year 2013. He served as a Rotary District 3150 in various capacities, including its assistant governor, regional secretary, regional chairman for Rotary Foundation with distinction. As a passionate sports enthusiast, he promotes rural children to actively participate in them. He was the president of the Nizamabad Tennis Ball Cricket Association and is currently the president for Nizamabad District Volleyball Association and the general secretary of Telangana State Volleyball Association since 2017. His desire to help others drove him to serve his village also, and he was awarded as Best Sarpanch consequently for 5 years by the District Collector Nizamabad. Rotarian Hanmant Reddy Garu is married to Vijita Garu and blessed with a daughter and son. District Governor Rotarian Hanmant Reddy Garu contributes regularly to Rotary Foundation and its benefactors. It's a honor, sir. We welcome you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pavitra. That was a wonderful introduction. So nice to listen to youngsters like you. Over to, may I request our District Governor Hanmant Reddy Garu to kindly, address us. Over to Hanmant Reddy Garu.
Thank you very much for excellent introduction. Thank you very much. And Trailblazer President Madhusudan, Secretary Sudhir and team, Guest of Honor G. Arundhati, Induction Officer AG Vijay Durga Garu, Outgoing Rotaract Club President Vamshi and team, Incoming President of Rotaract President Abhinav, Secretary Manvitha and team, and our galaxy of governors, PDGs, District Secretary Seshasai Garu, Singarao Garu, Joint Secretary Ranjit Singh, Regional Secretary Ramay Garu, Governor Special Aid Sham Garu, all Trailblazer Assistant Governors, Presidents, Secretaries, and Trailblazer District team, and all fellow Rotarians of the district. Good evening to all. We are very fortunate that we have in this year our world leader, RI President Holger Knack. When I was in San Diego, he announced the theme, Rotary opens opportunity, with no inkling of what was coming, pandemic. And now we feel as if the theme was tailored for the current situation. There is no security on this earth, there is only opportunity. Our RI President has given message to the clubs and club presidents. Number one is to work with Rotaractors as our partners and include them in few of our important committees. And the second one is the strategic meeting, at least one in a year. A third one is a work on 100% retention of members and inducting new members, induct quality members. And fourth one is the promote polio plus activity. Fifth one is to create opportunities that strengthen the leaderships. And launching a new Rotary year is like launching a great ship. The sea is said to be a teacher of truth, and in sailing, we find the salt of reality. Rotarians and like-minded people of goodwill can come to recognize that we all are one people around the earth, and we can do much to bring harmony and understanding between brothers who may do well across expensive ocean or perhaps next door. Goodwill begins with you. Our role is crucial to continue this legacy, to help Rotary grow and reach more people. You all know that you're aware of a Rotary vision statement, our vision. Together we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe in our communities and in ourselves. Rotary core values, the world today is not the same as it was when Rotary was founded in 1905. Demographics has shifted. The pace of change has accelerated, and technology has created new opportunities for connection and service. What has not changed is a need for the value that define Rotary. The core values are fellowship, integrity, diversity, service, and leadership. Our core values in action. Through fellowships, we build lifelong relationships that promote a greater global understanding. With integrity, we honor our communities and uphold ethical standards. Our diversity enables us to connect different perspectives and approach problems from many angles. We apply our vocational expertise, service and leadership to tackle some of the world's greatest challenges. By honoring our past and embracing our future, we can evolve and keep Rotary not only relevant, but thriving. My suggestion and goal setting to President Madhusudan and team regard the membership. Your club has been chartered on 3rd September 2014, and membership director is of course a dynamic and capable of increasing your club membership, Sheshadri Garu. As on date, you have 10 members. Till now, 62 members has been left the club, because most of the members left due to business obligations at that point of time. If you contact them, they may join back into the Rotary. You need not invite those people who are defaulters of club dues. But think about others, strengthen the club. You have such a strong mentor and coach, Sheshadri Garu, in your club to enlighten the membership with Rotary knowledge. I want a membership of RC Miapur to be 4 times 40 members. Already Sheshadri Garu has promised to bring 40 members. And my hearty welcome and congratulations for new members who are joining today. And bring a friend to Rotary is our slogan for the year 2021, given by membership chair, PDG Ramesh Vangalagaru. And he will also be there to help you in the membership. And from second ward, we have a regional chair. Regional chair, I forgot it, sorry. And if you contact
ASM Reddy garu. ASM Reddy garu.
Kadama.
Regional chair for membership kada?
Yeah, chairman aina. Regional chairman garu. Regional chairman vachi BN Suresh.
BN Suresh.
Sirish garu, right. Actually, in youth kunde then shifted. Sirish garu, right. Sirish is the regional chair for membership. He will also help you in increasing your members. And regarding the TRF, your all-time giving is 2,916. And all youth members are in this club. I won't force to for the TRF, because youth professionals are in this club now, coming all new members, but already professionals, nice doctors and other members also joining this club. My request is contribute $100 EREY, 100% EREY. Your club should be achieving that feat, and 100% you can do that. Sheshadri Garu, you're all-rounder for everything, for foundation, youth, and membership. Please look after this foundation also.
Okay, sir.
And if for any guidance, you have our DRFC PDG Ratan Prabhakar Garu is there to guide you. You can contact him. And regarding the youth services, I request the President Madhusudan, your all Rotaract clubs are very active, and you are also from Rotaract. I request to form minimum 3 Rotaractors and 3 Interactor clubs in this year. We are targeting 250 Interact clubs, Rotaract clubs, and 125 Interact clubs this year. So, being a Rotaractor and now you are in Rotary as a president, I request Madhusudan and Sudhir to form 3 Rotaract Interact clubs, and district chair past DRR and our DGN T. Rashekar Reddy is there to guide you, and Ravindra from Jubilee Hills is a district Rotaract committee chair, and Amarnath Garu is district chair for Interact, and Sudhir Garu from Cantonment is a regional chair for youth services, and Tota Kiran Garu is from Greater Hyderabad, is regional Rotaract chair. You can contact anyone, you can take help of those and to form new clubs, and I hope that you definitely achieve this feat. And designated days, first one is the water and sanitation hygiene, which 29th has been fixed this month, but schools has not opened, so later on we will give this date. And second one is the environment, to support the environment, tree plantations we are planning. On 15th August is the date, morning 8 to 9 in between the time, the total unit of district, all clubs of the district will participate in this designated day program. So I wish you also participate in this environment event. And the third one is the economic and community development, providing at least one sewing machine to a needy woman. This is on Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October 2020. And fourth one is the disease prevention and treatment program on positive health. This program will be on 5th December 2020. And fifth one is a peace, conflict, prevention and resolution is a 23rd February 2021 is the date. And there are 3 options to do any one. One is awareness program to prevent domestic violence. And the second one is a awareness program for myths and stigma. And third one is a stop teasing in schools and public places. Any one you can do. And sixth one is the maternal and child health. Nutrient supplements to pregnant women on 11th April 2021. And seventh one is basic education and literacy, distributing of notebooks 16th June. This may be the last program in our year, 16th June 2020-21, designated last day program. And the Friendship Exchange Club. Friendship Exchange Club also we should bond your friendship with your Friendship Exchange Club, and by inviting their families to your club, and they will invite your families to that club. So and district fund. And second, semi-annuals. Before August end 2020 is the first semi-annual, and second semi-annual before February end 2021. And these three programs are designated friendship and this semi-annual dues payment. This is mandatory to achieve RI presidential citation and DG citation. These are mandatory to complete. District Chair Kishore Baninani is there. You can take the guidance of him and you can do the program. And the eighth one is the DREAM project. Already AG Vijay Durga has told about breastfeeding kiosk. Rotary Club of Springfields. So it's a very nice, it's just costing near about 75,000 for double room. So you can contact Shesha Sai Garu, our district secretary. He is there to guide you for that. And next one is the R&B. Already Shesha Garu is well aware of that fellowship. Rotary means business fellowship. This platform is a very good platform to improve our business and to extend our business and to catch up the new members. This is a good platform to catch new members. That's all for targets and goals for the president. Atma Vishwasaniki, Ahankaraniki, Ventrukabasu Teda untundi. నేను చేయగలను అనేది ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం, నేను తప్ప ఎవరు చేయలేను అనేది అహంకారం మనిషిని దయించి వేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఏ ప్రెసిడెంట్ సెక్రటరీ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ వితౌట్ ఎ టీమ్ వర్క్. సో వర్క్ విత్ ద టీమ్ అండ్ అచీవ్ గ్రేట్ హైట్స్. అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ hearty congratulations for the outgoing team and all the best for the new team, Madhusudan, Sudhir and team. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, DG Garu. And it was so nice of you to explain us and give us a direction for the young team to take it forward. Now, with permission of all the participants in the house, I request a delay of, since there is a delay, I'll request your permission of extending this program for another 10 minutes. We are very fortunate to have Arundhati Madam from Sangamitra School. Both my students, Vamsi and Madhu, studied there, and I thought it's appropriate for us to call her as a guest of honor, and because whatever Vamsi and Madhu are, it is because of Sangamitra School, not because of us. So I requested Madhu to invite her as a guest of honor. But to the house, I would like Rachana, who is also a student of Sangamitra, to introduce Arundhati Madam, please.
Thank you for the opportunity. Mrs. G. Arundhati has been in the field of education since 1983. As a teacher, her aim is not only to teach, but also imbibe children with human values. She has started her journey as the founder of Sangamitra School with staff of 8 teachers and had led roots for thousands of success stories ever since inception. People often get mesmerized by her passion, commitment, and zeal towards excellence. Both me and my brother, and even Rotarian Madhu and Rotractor Vamsi, present in this meeting today, have had the privilege to be her students, and we still are your students, Arundhati ma'am. Apart from guiding us excel in our academics, you have taught us something slightly more important, values. And all these activities and various social projects we are doing today are the result of your efforts. I thank you for sparing your time and making it to our installation ceremony. We were and will always be proud of you. Introducing an inspiration, Mrs. G. Arundhati. Over to you, ma'am.
Arundhati Garu.
Yeah. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. My sincere greetings to one and all who are all present in today's meeting. And I congratulate the newly elected members. And I wish you all the best. I know you said we have to wind up by 1 o'clock. We have exceeded the time, so I don't want to take much time of yours. I'm Arundhati and I'm 59 years old, my physical age. But my teacher age is almost 37 years. I've been into the field of a teacher, being a teacher. So Sangamitra is my own child. That's the school. And the children who are passed out from the school are my own children. Still I own them. I always tell them when they go out of the gates of the school that children, as long as I live, even if you're, 99 years old, you are my children only. I call you as children. And my motto is, which keeps me going on is, if I rest, I rust. So children, that's what I want to tell you, all the members who are elected. If you rest, you rust. So you have to keep working. And I need not tell you about the values, the core values of the school, you are all aware about it. Service is the first one. So we must do it. So I wanted to share one or two incidents in my life, which pushed me to take up this role as a teacher. Basically, I have born and brought up in Hyderabad, a middle class family, and my father was a regional joint director for the animal husbandry. And they were my mother and father were my first gurus. From my mother, I have learned the hard work, and from my father, honesty. These both helped me to grow into a young and adult. And at the age of 18 years, my father has this renal failure, that is, both the kidneys were failed. And those days, 1980, it all happened, 79 and 80. So those days, there were no transplantations, no dialysis, no such facilities at all in Hyderabad. And we were asked to go to Jaslok to Bombay. That's where the learning has started in my life. When I first visited that hospital, it was like a 5-star hotel for me. And we could not afford to go to that hospital also because it was very, very expensive. And the government has helped my father to take the treatment. That too, why out of the way? Because he was a very honest and a very upright and a very committed officer. So the government went a step ahead and they said, we will bear all the expenditure, please go ahead with the transplantation. But those days, the cadaver transplantation wasn't there. So they said, the family members have to give. We have 4 sisters and 1 brother. So I'm the youngest in the family. So at the age of 18, I was the first youngest donor in India to donate kidney to my father. So when I took the decision of donating my kidney, why I'm sharing this story? Because people said that, how will you survive? Because a lot of ignorance in those days. Just imagine, 1980, that's somewhere 40 years ago. So they said, how are you going to survive? Will you be able to walk? Will you be able to run? Will you be able to study? Will you be able to get married? Will you be able to have a child? So many doubts, so many people have expressed. But past 40 years I've proved, I said, yes, I will have everything I can prove and I can show. With that confidence I went. And today, yes, I've finished my MPhil in education. I got married. I've got a 30 years old daughter. And I've been working past 40 years. And hale and healthy. So if there is a will, there is a way. So my advice to all children, you're all children before me. So children, your action should speak. You should go ahead. See, always do good deeds and good deeds will come back to you all children. You cannot deny this. So please go ahead and I wish you all the best and all the success in your life. And then you can achieve anything. So please, any help from my end, any service from my hand, I'm always ready to extend it. So once again, I thank all the Rotary members, everybody giving me an opportunity to join this ceremony. So congratulations to all the newly elected members. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was so inspiring always, actually. Thank you, Arundhati. We are closing the session today, and I request our secretary, Mr. Sudhir, club secretary, to kindly make the announcements and propose the vote of thanks.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Rotary Club of Miapur, I would like to make two announcements. Announcement number one is there is a meeting tomorrow, which is called exclusively for Rotary members. It is called Monday Online Networking Enables You. This is the three reasons why Rotary must join is Rotary opens opportunities, help members to grow their business, and third, help yourself to grow your business. Second announcement is on July 29th, Rotarian Srikar is its birthday. So I would like everyone to wish him an advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Srikar.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
JRD Tata was born on 29th July. So he is going to become another JRD in Hyderabad.
Happy birthday. In
Yes,
advance.
Sudhir, over to you.
Happy birthday, advance, Rotarian.
Yes. And lastly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Installation Officer, Assistant Governor Vijay Durga Garu, District Governor Hanumant Reddy Garu, Chief Guest, and Guest of Honor Arundhati Ma'am for gracing with their presence on this occasion, and for inspiring us to do good works in the upcoming year, Rotary year. Second, I would like to thank all the participants, all the Rotary members, Rotaract members, and the guests from other Rotary clubs. And lastly, I would like to seek support and mentor us for the entire Rotary team and the Rotaract team in the upcoming year. And thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, DRR Sindhura also. Kindly thanks for joining, and thanks all the Rotarians. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, Rotarians. It was nice.
Thank you,
so much.
sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Madhu and team.
Madhu, congratulations, Nana.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank
And
you.
even
Thank you,
all
sir.
other members too.
Thank you so
Please
much.
keep
Thank
up
you,
the
ma'am.
good
Thank
work.
you.
Okay.
Thank you
I
so
know,
much.
I'm very confident that you will do the good work.
Thank you. Thank you,
very
ma'am.
much. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Madam, namaste. I have a request for you.
Yes, tell me.
I visited your school once with our Australian friend, young kid, to demonstrate.
Yeah, I
Mike
remember.
visited along with that boy. I was escort for him at that time.
Yeah, I remember. They've gifted me one ball also that time.
Yes. So my request for you is, please encourage your students who are now current president, secretary of this new club.
100%. I need not. They will do it. They will do it.
Yeah. Please give one interact club from you. Please start one interact club in your school.
Yeah, definitely.
Under the presidency of Mr. Madhu. Madhu.
Definitely we'll try to.
With added feather through your hand.
Yeah,
Guru,
definitely.
Blessing, that is, I can say. Please do so, ma'am. My humble request to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to.
So nice of you, ma'am.
Congratulations to Madhu and team.
Guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rachana, good job, Talli. Rachana, good job, Talli.
Thank you, Rachana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sheshadri Garu, I'm taking this opportunity and I'm requesting all the Rotarians and Rotractors here today to join the speaker meet today we have of Rotary Club of Hyderabad East. We have it's on a Kargil Divas Day, basically Kargil Vijay Divas. So we have Air Marshal, Air Vice Marshal Sagar Bharati is going to address the audience. So I request each and everybody to, all the audience over here, and also, and our DG Hanumant Reddy Garu is going to be the guest of honor. Sir, we're looking forward to see you there also.
Thank you so much.
Definitely, I'll be there.
Thank you.
So thank you, DG Garu. Thank you,
Madhu.
Madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Madhu.
Thank you, all of you.
Bye.
Sir.
Congratulations, Madhu and team. This is Singarao, District Secretary.
Yeah.
Appointments.
So thank you all. I request all the guests to leave the room so that we can wind up the program as a host. Thank you so much.